If content is a lifeblood of the internet, then links are like the veins. It's very important. Hi, my name is CM Manjunath. In this video, you're going to learn how to create links on your WordPress website. And this is WordPress website development course for absolute beginners. Let's dive in. This is our gym website that we are building. What I want to do is make this button a link. And on this button, when somebody clicks on this button, I want them to go to this section right here where it has got the lead form. So somebody who wants to claim a workout, I'd want to get their name, email address, and their goal, right? So how do we do this? Very simple. There are two steps involved when linking a button to another section within the web page. And that is step number one, go to this section, head into the advanced tab for this section, and in here you have something called CSS ID. So you're going to first assign an ID so that you can refer that ID when clicked on that button. CSS stands for cascading style sheets. An ID here should be unique. You cannot use the same ID for different sections or widgets. Elementor will get confused. So don't confuse Elementor. Go into CSS ID and type something like lead form section. All right, I'm going to copy it, right click, copy it, first update it. So step number one, assign an ID. Done. Let's scroll up. Here's the button. Click on the edit icon of that button, and in here you'll see the content tab. In the content tab, look at the link. It'll have hashtag. Now hashtag here is important. That represents we are going to link to another section within the website. All right. All you need to do is paste that CSS ID that we assigned. In this case, we called it lead form section. That's where I want the user to go when he or she clicks on that button. Let's click update. That's it. Job done. Let's test if it works well. I'm going to go into an incognito mode, and there it is. Instantly loads. Let's click on this button and boom, we are taken to the lead form. That is good. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. All right. Now that we're clear about how to add a link from one section to another section within the web page. Now, what if I wanted to link from one page to another page within the website? That's what we're going to do. So if you scroll down a little bit, we have the about section right here. So if somebody clicked on this find out more, I want them to go to the about page. Remember, we have the about page right here. That's where I want the user to go to. How do you do that? Click on that edit icon or the pencil icon for that button widget. On the left side, you'll notice that there is content and then link. Now, if I were linking from one section to another section within this web page, I would keep that hashtag on. Not in this case, because I'm going to link to another page, not the same page, but another page within the website. So remove that hashtag and type in whatever page you want to link to. So in this case, I'm going to link to the about page. As I type about, Elementor is going to suggest that page, and it says page right here. You select that, boom, that's it. Now if you click on update, we are good to go. Scroll down to the about section, click on that button, and boom, we are in the about page. Very cool, isn't it? Let me head back to the home page. You can also link from one page to another page using text as a link. So let's say here, I want to do personal and health goals. Again, I'm going to highlight these three words, click on link, and this time I'm going to type services. Remember, we have a services page. So I'll just type that in, and Elementor is going to suggest me that page. Boom, like so. Enter and update. Okay, so now you know that this is also an internal link. We are linking from one page to another, but this time instead of a button, what I've done is use some text right here, personal health goals. Click that, and we are taken to the services page. As simple as that. Okay, I'm going to show you one last thing for linking to make it easy. This is linking from one page to another page. So it's within the website. What if you want to link to another website? We call that an external link. We are going to link from our website to an external website. For this, I've picked up Wikipedia and I've just taken some content here. I will copy the URL of that page on Wikipedia. Now, again, I'm going to go into this text editor in the About section, and there is something like Pro, whether you're a beginner or pro. So I'm going to highlight that text on the left side. Please pay attention. On the left side, just select that, and in the menu, you'll notice there's like a chain icon, a link icon. It says insert a link. Click that, and you just pop that URL in. So I've got the URL from Wikipedia, paste it in, and here you see a cog. I usually do this. So once you click on that cog, you'll notice that there's a little pop-up and it says open link in a new tab. So the idea is when somebody clicks on an external link on my website, I want that website to open on a different tab, a new tab. Why? Well, if the user reads that, and after that she closes it, she'll come back to my website. That's the idea. All right, so let's click that and update it, and then update again. That takes care of it. Let me go ahead, reload this page. Right, you click on that, and boom, we are taken to an external website, in this case Wikipedia, where the definition for pro is there. So that's how it is done. You know how to add content using Elementor, and with this video you also know how to link multiple sections, multiple pages within the website, or even multiple web pages outside of your website. That's called an external link. I hope this was useful. Please subscribe to the channel so that you get more such valuable content. My name is CM Manjunath, and I will see you next time.